Natural disaster that's gonna happen?
There's a Brax avatar.
Where's Cheese Ball? Cheese Ball.
Gotta do it to him.
Did you just fart? Are you farting on that person?
Oh no, get into prison.
I found shelter.
Oh,
Oh, that's not shelter?
this is shelter.
Nothing's shelter. Oh, this is his shelter. Am I, that was stupid of me.
I'll take your jail picture. I'll take your jail picture.
I'm in a kitchen right now. Where the heck am I? I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna emo on the phone. I'm emoting.
I'm gonna have a natural disaster. Wait, am I outside? I'm perfectly fine, right? I'm alive.
Let's play a different game.
I'm dead.